in my area cold. Dark skin, light skin, medium tones. Pumping braids, got mini afros. Big lips, got hips, some of us don't. Big nose, contours, some of us won't. Never wanna put us in a medium road. Wanna fat pretty like a Kardashian, no. Wanna fat pretty like my
guys, welcome to my channel. My name's Tan. If it's your first time here, hey girl. And if you're a returning subscriber, then thanks for coming back. So in today's video, I was sent a unit from Divatress.com. She's from the brand Outre in the style Freya, and I got her in the color DRST Maple Brown. If you want to find out my thoughts and opinions on this unit, make sure you keep watching. But before we get into the video, make sure you're subscribed if you're not already. Also, if you want to see any of the cute, fun little reels that I do with this unit, make sure you follow me on my Instagram and my TikTok. They're both at Dotson. And then lastly, if you don't even really care about the install part and you just want to see the specs on her or my personal pros and cons on her or anything like that, make sure you check down below. I'll have the chapters listed for you. But enough about that, let's go ahead and get into the video.
Let me get that introduction. We on the long road to self-destruction. You was so in love, you weren't gonna tell me nothing. Let me get this clear, cause I had no idea. I feel like a bit too much. I feel like a bit too much. Just to know, yeah, I need all that. I feel like a bit too much. I feel like a bit too much. Be on the spotlight, yeah, I need all that. Since you've been gone, I've been just okay. I know you mad, you didn't see it my way. Since I've been gone, I've been out of space. I let little shawty come here and take your place. My love to the time.
Okay, so let's talk about Miss Freya from Outre. As you saw earlier, the cap construction is your typical cap construction with one comb in the back, a comb in the front on each side, adjustable straps, and also the security band. The lace parting is a 13 by 6, and according to the stock card, it has ear-to-ear soft HD transparent lace, natural baby hairs, comes pre-attached elastic band, pre-plucked hairline, heat styling friendly, and of course, like I said earlier, the fully hand-tied 13 by 6 front. The thing that's listed within the stock card, I would have to agree with 100%. The length of this unit is 22 inches, which I find to be a pretty good everyday type of length, but I can't lie, a part of me wants to cut it to about right here. And I feel like that would be like almost what, 16 to 18 inches. I feel like anywhere in that range from the 18 to 22 inch range is just perfect for, again, the everyday type of look. The texture of this unit is very silky, and the density on her, it's not very thick, but it's also not very thin either. I feel like she falls right in the middle, which makes for a very good everyday type of unit. On the stock card though, to me it looked like the unit would be thicker than what it actually is. Again, I'm not upset about the density, but just keep that in mind. Now let's go ahead and talk about my pros and cons regarding this unit, and of course we're going to start with the cons first. My first con on this unit would have to be that she does snag. Now if you know anything about synthetic units, curly units, longer units, you know that they're gonna snag and or tangle. She's not completely tangling on me yet, but that is possibly because I haven't really run my fingers through her a whole lot, but I feel like in due time it's gonna start to happen. My next con on this unit would be the stretchiness of her. Now, I don't necessarily want to say that she's not big head friendly, because obviously she's fitting on my head just fine, but I feel like she was kind of like teeter-tottering in between whether it was big head friendly or not big head friendly. I have some perfect hairline units that I have more than enough stretch in them, and then I have some like this one to where it's just like, okay, are you about to fit or are you not about to fit? And I don't know, when I pulled her out of the packaging and I kind of stretched out the cap a little bit, I was like, but clearly she worked out. But I don't know, I don't want to fully say that she's big head friendly. Now let's go ahead and move into my pros regarding this unit. And to start off, the curls. The curls are everything. The curls are giving what they're supposed to give. The curls are for the girls. The curls are just, they're curling, okay? I feel like this is so cute for spring and summer. It gives that soft, beachy, effortlessly, I don't know, I'm here for the curls. My next pro on this unit would have to be the color of her. Now, this unit does come in a variety of colors, and I'll have it here on the screen somewhere, but I first seen this unit on Miss Chrissy, and she had it in this color, and I was just like, yep, I need that unit, and I need it in that color. But then I also seen, I want to say it's Miss Wheezy wig reviews, and it looked so good on her too, and I was just like, yes, I need that unit. I need it in that color. I feel like it's going to be perfect on my skin complexion, and she's doing what she needs to do. My next pro on this unit would be, I feel like she's great for everyday styling. I feel like it could go in either direction. You can make her super glam, or you can make her really free, beachy, effortless type of look. My next pro on this unit would have to be the parting space. Now, like I mentioned earlier, she is a 13x6, but I don't know, I feel like it's much longer in my opinion. Obviously the front starts right here, but the ending of the parting space starts like right about here. And again, that might be 6 inches, but I feel like it's much longer. With all of that parting space, you could definitely do an array of styles. Me personally, I just put her in a side part because first of all, I am very simple, but also I don't like to manipulate my units too much because I want them to last as long as possible. My last pro on this unit would have to be how well the lace melts. Now, if you viewed other videos of mine, you already know how I feel about the Perfect Hairline Collections lace. But if this isn't your first time, or if this, if this is your first time viewing one of my videos, then just know I am a stan for their lace. It always melts so flawless, especially when you use the Eben Lace Tint Spray. It just, sometimes you do have to put a little bit of makeup on top to help blend it in a little bit more, but just know, use the Eben Lace Tint Spray and then put a little bit of makeup on top, and it's just chef's kiss. Now let's go ahead and talk about the price of this unit. On Divatress.com, she does retail for $74.99, but if you want one of the specialty colors, expect to pay about a $2 to $4 upcharge. Overall, I do think that this unit is absolutely beautiful. Now, I'm not gonna lie, I do think that the price is a little steep, but hey, that could just be me. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. If you liked the video, please give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe before you leave, and also make sure you click the bell. That way you're notified anytime that I upload a video. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. They are both at @Dotson. Huge shout out and huge thank you again to Divatress.com for sending over this unit for me to review. I'll make sure to have a direct link to her in the description box below. But other than that, I don't have anything else to say except for I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.